Subject Operation Research MCQs Part 2. Chapter 2 Linear Programming Problem Introduction and Formulation. Filling the blanks. First, a mathematical programming problem is one that seeks to maximize an objective function subject to the constant. If both the objective function and the constant are linear, the problem is referred to as a dash problem. Answer: linear programming. Second, dash are a function in which each variable appears in a separate term raised to the first power and is multiplied by a constant which would be 0. Answer: linear function. Third, dash are linear function that are restricted to be less than or equal to or greater than or equal to a constant. Correct answer: linear constant. Fourth, the maximum or minimization of some quantity is the dash in all linear programming problem. Correct answer: objectives. Dash variable can never be negative. Correct answer: decision. 6. The dash property of linear programming model indicates that the decision variable cannot be restricted to integer values and can take on any fraction values. Correct answer: divisibility. 7. The objective function 3x plus 2y plus 4xy violates the assumption of dash. Correct answer: proportionality. 8. The dash property of linear programming model indicates that the rate of change or scope of the objective function or a constant is constant. Correct answer: proportionality or linearity. 9th, the dash step in formulating a linear programming model is to define the decision variable. Correct answer: first. The dash variable are mathematical symbol representing levels of activity. Correct answer: decision. Let's see certain MCQs. First, the mathematical model of LP problem is important because it helps in converting the variable description and numerical data into mathematical expression. B. The decision maker prefer to work with formal models. C. It captures the relevant relationship among decision factor. D. It enables the use of algebraic technique. Correct answer: A. It helps in converting the verbal description and numerical data into mathematical expression. Second, linear programming is a dash. Option A, constant optimization technique. B, technique for economic allocation of limited resources. C, mathematical technique. D, all the above. Correct answer: all the above. Third, a constant is an LPP model restrict: A, value of the objective function. B, value of decision variable. C, use of available resources. D, all of the above. Correct answer: option D, all of the above. The distinguished features of a LP model is: option A, relation among all variables is linear. Option B, it has a single objective function and constant. C, value of decision variable is non-negative. D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, relationship among all variables is linear. Fifth, the constant in a LP model represent: option A, limitation. Option B, requirement. Option C, balancing limitation and requirement. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. 6. Non-negativity condition is an important component of LP model because a variable value should remain under the control of the decision maker. B. Value of variable makes sense and correspond to real world problem. Option C. Variables are interrelated in terms of limited resources. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Value of variable makes sense and correspond to real world problems. 7th, before formulating a formula LP model, it is better to option A. Express each constant in word, express the objective function in word, verbally identify decision variable. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer option D. All of the above. 8. Maximization of objective function in a LP model means option A. Value occurs at allowable set of decision. B. Highest value is chosen among allowable decision. Option C. Neither of above. Option D. Both A and B. Correct answer option A. Value occurs at allowable set of decision. 9th. Which of the following is not a characteristic of the LP model? Option A. Alternative occurs of action, an objective function of maximization type. Option C. Limited amount of resources. Option D. Non-negativity condition on the value of decision variable. Correct option option B. An objective function of maximization type. 10th. The best use of linear programming technique is to find an optimum use of money. B. Manpower. C. Machine. D. All of the above. Correct answer option D. All of the above. Which of the following is not a characteristic of the LP? Option A. Resources must be limited. B. Only one objective function. C. Parameter value remain constant during the planning period. Option D. The problem must be minimization type. Correct answer option D. The problem must be of minimization type. 12th. Non-negativity condition in a LP model implies option A. A positive coefficient of variable in objective function, a positive coefficient of variable in any constant, non-negative value of resources. D. None of the above. Correct answer option D. None of the above. Next, which of the following is the assumption of an LP model? Divisibility, proportionality, additivity. D. All of the above. Correct option option D. All of the above. 14. Which of the following is a limitation associated with an LP model? Option A. Relationship among decision variable is linear. No guarantee to get integrated value solution. No consideration of effect on time and uncertainty in LP model. D. All of the above. Correct answer option D. All of the above. 15. Who developed linear programming for the purpose of scheduling the complicated procurement activity of the United States Air Force? George B. Denzing. B. James B. Denzing. C. George B. Dent. D. George Vince Denzing. Correct answer option A. George B. Denzing. 16. Dash assumption means the prior knowledge of all the coefficient in the objective function, the coefficient of the constraint and the resource value. Option A. Proportionality. Option B. Certainty. Option C. Finite choice. Option D. Continuity. Correct answer option B. Certainty. The word linear means that a relationship are represented by diagonal lines, curved line, C straight line, D slanting line. Correct answer option C straight line. 18. The word programming means taking decision. Option A systematically, option B rapidly, option C slowly, option D instantly. Correct answer option A systematically. 19. LP is a major innovation since dash in the field of business decision making, particularly under condition of certainty. Option A Industrial Revolution, option B World War I, option C World War II, option D French Revolution. Correct answer option C World War II. Option D 20. The linear programming has been successfully applied in option A agriculture, option B industrial application, option C both A and B, option D manufacturing. Correct answer is option C both A and B. 21. The method of formal calculation, often termed as linear programming, was developed later in which year? A. 1947, B. 1988, C. 1957, D. 1944. Correct answer is option A. 1947. Let's see true or false. The term in the objective function or constant are additive. Correct answer true. The linear programming problem may have more than one set of solution. True. In a linear programming problem, all model parameters are assumed to be known with certainty. Answer true. Linear programming is a model consisting of linear relationship presenting a firm decision given an objective and resource constant. Answer false. A constant is a linear relationship, a restriction on decision making. True. The objective function in a linear relationship reflecting on decision making. True. A linear programming model consists of only decision variable of an operation. False. Proportionality means the scope of a constant in proportional to the scope of an objective function. Answer false. The term in the objective function or constant are multiplicative. False. The values of decision variable are continuous or divisible. True. In linear programming model, objective function can only be maximized. False. All linear programming model exhibit a set of constant. True. Linear programming models exhibit linearity among all constant relationship and the objective function. True. In linear programming models, the objective functions always consist of either maximizing or minimizing some values. True. A parameter is a numerical value in an objective function and constant. Answer is true. A linear programming model consists of decision variable, constant but no objective function. False. The right hand side element of each constant is non-negative. True. Let's see some match the columns. Industrial application of OR. Correct option is option D, production scheduling problem. RN application of OR. Correct answer is option A, manpower scheduling problem. Miscellaneous application of OR. Correct answer option E, agriculture problem. At most maximum constant. Correct answer option F, less than equal to. At least minimum constant. Correct answer option B, more than or equal to. Sixth, proportionality. Correct answer is option G. Any change in a constant inequalities will have the proportional change in the objective function.